Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Dropbox notifications for shared project folders, full guide step by step clearly. To disable Dropbox notifications for shared project folders, first, open the Dropbox application on your computer or mobile device. Next, sign in to your Dropbox account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Shared tab in the left-hand menu. Locate the specific project folder for which you want to disable notifications. Click on the folder to open it and view its contents. In the top right corner, you'll see a Share button. Click on it. A menu will appear where you can manage the sharing settings for the folder. Look for the Settings option, usually indicated by a gear icon. Select Settings to access the notification preferences for the shared folder. In the Settings menu, find the section labeled Notifications. Toggle off the notifications for updates to this shared folder. Confirm your changes by clicking Save or Done, depending on your device. If you are using the mobile app, you may need to tap a three-dot menu icon to access folder settings. Follow the same process to find the notification toggles. After you've disabled the notifications, return to the main screen of your Dropbox app. You should now no longer receive notifications for activity in that shared project folder. Repeat this process for any additional shared folders as needed. Now you can focus on your projects without distraction from notifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.